In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a divider in Ninja Forms. As you can see, I have a form here, and I want to add a divider between these fields. So to do that, back in the dashboard, go to Ninja Forms and click on Dashboard. As you can see, I have some forms created here. I'll just open this one. Now here you can simply drag and drop the divider fields to the form. And then click on Publish. Now I'll just go back to that form and reload the page. And as you can see, the form was added successfully here. If you need help creating a form using Ninja Forms, we have a video explaining how you can do that too. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. But this is how you can add a divider in Ninja Forms. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.